My name's Andrew Stotz of Stotz Investment Research, talking about world-class benchmarking for LT Group in the Philippines. The company has a market cap of 3.3 billion US dollars, which makes it a large cap in the Philippines. And it's a holding company of Chinese Filipino business tycoon Lucio Tan. Its major investments are banking, Philippine National Bank, and spirits, beverages like Asia Brewery, tobacco, Fortune Tobacco, and property development. Majority of the profits come from banking and tobacco, and growth in both is very strong. Right now, there's 7 analysts covering the company, and they all have it rated as a buy, according to the Wall Street Journal. Now, before we start, let me tell you the story of world-class benchmarking. As a sell-side analyst, I built a successful career analyzing the performance of companies. In 1995, I co-founded CoffeeWorks, a B2B coffee roaster in Bangkok, with my best friend Dale. In fact, time for a CoffeeWorks espresso right now. Nice. Since I worked full-time at an investment bank, my role then was only to advise the management team about how to make CoffeeWorks financially world-class. But helping the team turned out to be harder than I thought. I started with the traditional analysis that I did at work, like profit margin, ROE, and growth, but the managers didn't understand these concepts. Next, since I was not only a practitioner but also a teacher of finance, I tried to teach them. Bad news, the team had little interest in learning finance. So my challenge was to develop a simple finance tool for our managers. This challenge focused me on the resources I had as a financial analyst. I had a database of financial performance of every company in the world. I had knowledge of which financial ratios matter most to increase the value of a business, and I had experience simplifying finance concepts from years of teaching finance. By combining these resources, I created the world-class benchmarking scorecard for the team. The world-class benchmarking scorecard focuses the management team on only one financial measure. It's easy to understand since it contains no financial ratios. It's not overwhelming. The one-page format arrives monthly. It doesn't change. Like in sports, the team knows when they are winning. And most importantly, it challenges the team to become financially world-class by beating global peers. So let's put the world-class benchmarking scorecard into action. Here's 3 things you need to know. First, the single measure is profitable growth, a combined score of profitability and growth. And second, we rank a company's performance against its global peers. 1 is best, 10 is worst. Third, the scorecard presents 5 years, including the most recent 12 months. So let's use it now on LT Group. And here we can see the profitable growth rank of 6 was up compared to the prior period's 9. This was below average performance compared to 1,450 large industrial companies worldwide, but it was a good improvement. So now let's look at the profitability rank. It was 9, which is much worse than the growth rank. So growth is the strength right now, and it has been for a while. The profitability rank of 9 was the same over all of this period. So really, the weakness of this company is the profitability. So the growth rank of 2 was up compared to 4 the prior period. Pretty good performance. That's world class. Now, if we look at the company, we can see that the main strength of this company is its profit margin, which is ranked number 1 relative to 1,450 large industrial companies worldwide. The biggest weakness is asset utilization. So if the company wanted to become financially world-class, and I was advising them, I'd say start with your asset utilization. Do you want to become world-class? If you're a CEO, email me to see the world-class benchmarking scorecard and how it can make your company financially world-class. If you're an investor, leave a company name in the comments below to see how it ranks. My name's Andrew Stotz, and I challenge you to become world-class.